Welcome to the ABI Snapshot, where we spotlight critical findings and the latest research from our global team of analysts. In this snapshot, we're speaking with George Chowdhury, industry analyst at ABI Research, about his insights on how the current tariff turbulence will affect the robotics market. Your insight says that the robotics industry is at a critical turning point, with tariffs and geopolitical tensions stalling progress. George, what's your take on how this uncertainty is affecting innovation in robotics?
Well, Deb, it's a perfect storm. On the one hand, you've got China making huge strides with AI and robotics, supported by government backing and a favorable regulatory environment. Meanwhile, in the US and Europe, robotics innovation depends heavily on venture capital, and that's under threat with tariffs and global unrest. As uncertainty rises, VCs are likely to pull back and focus on safer bets, stalling the progress of long-term transformative technologies.
So both startups and large OEMs are caught in the middle of this.
Yeah, exactly. So for startups like Agility Robotics and Aptronic, VC backing is crucial to field test their robots and gather real-world data. But with funding tightening, their survival depends on providing value now, not tomorrow. And then the larger OEMs, companies like KUKA and FANUC, are facing mounting pressure too. They already battle stiff competition from Chinese manufacturers, and now they've got the added burden of tariffs, which threaten their inability to operate effectively in the US.
It sounds like reshoring manufacturing could help, but surely it comes with a lot of challenges.
Right. While the Trump administration's goal is to bring manufacturing back to the US, the reality is that building up domestic robot manufacturing is a long and costly process. AI-driven robots are still maturing, and setting up the necessary infrastructure to compete with Chinese manufacturers is no small feat. It's going to take time, investment, and a lot of patience.
What's the way forward?
The best bet for both startups and established companies is to focus on demonstrating tangible value. Robotics OEMs should look to expand US operations to gain favor with the government, and startups must prove their worth in real-world applications, so no more hype. Ultimately, it's about finding a balance between long-term innovation and the immediate pressures of a volatile market.
It's clear that navigating this uncertainty will require patience and strategy. Thank you, George, for your insights.
Thank you, Deb. It's going to be an interesting ride, and that's for sure.
For more insights on navigating tariff turbulence in the technology sector, download the white paper at abiresearch.com.